Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the third chapter of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. In this video, we are going to discuss about the youth in Nazi Germany and the art of propaganda. Youth in Nazi Germany. Hitler believed that a strong Nazi society could be established by teaching children Nazi ideology. Undesirable children and teachers, means Jews and the physically handicapped and gypsies were thrown out of schools. The school textbooks were rewritten. Germans and Jews could not sit and play together. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideology or Nazi ideas of race. Stereotypes about Jews were popularized even through math classes. Children were taught to be loyal, submissive, hate Jews, and worship Hitler. Even sports like boxing were introduced to nurture a spirit of violence and aggression among children. Hitler thought that boxing could make children iron-hearted, strong and masculine. Formation of youth organization and youth league. Youth organizations were made responsible for educating German youth in the spirit of National Socialism. 10-year-old children had to join Zumwalk. At the age of 14, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization, Hitler Youth. After a period of rigorous ideological and physical training, they joined the labor service at the age of 18. Then they had to serve in the armed forces and enter one of the Nazi organizations. In 1922, the Youth League of Nazi was founded. After 4 years, it was renamed as Hitler Youth. To control the youth, all other youth organizations were banned. The Nazi cult of motherhood. In Nazi Germany, young people and even children were repeatedly told that women were radically different from men. According to the Nazi ideology, the fight for equal rights for men and women was quite wrong and it would destroy society. While boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine and hardworking, girls were told to become good mothers and bring up pure-blooded Aryan children. Women had to maintain the purity of the race, look after the home and teach their children Nazi ideology. Hitler said that mother is the most important citizen of Nazi Germany. Women were responsible to maintain the purity of race. But those mothers who produced racially undesirable children were punished, and those mothers who produced racially desirable children were awarded. They were given favored in treatment in hospitals, concession in shops, theatres, and even in the railways. Honors of bronze was given for 4 children, a silver for 6 children, and a gold cross was given for 8 or more children. Women who maintained contacts with Jews, Poles, or Russian, it means undesirable people, were punished or imprisoned. It means women who did not follow the prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and severely punished. Now, the art of propaganda. The Nazi regime used language and the media effectively to describe their activities. They never used the words kill or murder in their official communications, but they used certain words like a special treatment or final solution for mass killing and disinfection and selection and euthanasia. These words were used for mass killing. It means mass killing were called a special treatment, final solution for the Jews, euthanasia for disabled people, and selection and disinfection. Evacuation meant deporting people to gas chambers for killing them. The gas chambers were called disinfection area. Media was carefully used to win supports for the regime, it was Nazi regime, and popularize its worldview. Nazi ideas were spread through visual images, films, radio, posters, catchy slogans, and leaflets. Socialists and liberals were represented as weak and degenerate and attacked as malicious foreign agents. Propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. The most famous film was The Eternal Jew. Jews were referred to as vermin, rats, and pests. Their movements were compared to those of rodents. The Nazi made equal efforts to appeal to all the different sections of the population. They sought to win their supports by suggesting them Nazi alone could solve all their problems. In the next video, we will discuss about ordinary people and the crimes against humanity and knowledge about the Holocaust.